Hey guys, it is Maddie and welcome back to another vlog. So yes, I am still in Myrtle Beach. We are about to get on one of these elevators, probably that one. And me and my dad are going to go get breakfast. It's usually only me and my dad because we like to wake up early when we go to places. So yeah, it's actually sunny today. Which is really good because we want to do things like Broadway on the Beach. So me and my dad are taking a walk out front of the hotel, which is like right here. And we haven't really gotten the chance to take in a walk, but it's only like 8, so we got our coffee. Here's really what it looks like in front of the hotel and around it. So really it's just hotel after hotel after hotel and some shops and bars and stuff like that. Here's the ocean. You can kind of see it, but you can also see that it's blue skies, which is what I want. Is Broadway in the Beach down there?
That way.
So Broadway in the Beach is down there. So I think we're probably going to do that today because it's nice today. So, yeah. I wish the Starbucks was closer. It's like 8, I think it's like 8 blocks down. Or more than that.
Is it?
Yeah. So guys, if we ever move here, you see these palm trees? We are honestly gonna get at least 1 or 2 in front of our house or in the back of our house. Because you can do that here. You can just buy palm trees. Like here at like nurseries. And they grow and they look like this in front of your house. So yeah. My dad brought me to this hotel right here. And
are you all late?
I didn't know that this hotel had a Starbucks in it. So he surprised me and he brought me in here. And he got me Starbucks. So, you know, that just made my day a lot. For breakfast, like what we actually eat, I think we are going to be going to a Waffle House here. It's like a restaurant here that they have that I've seen a lot. So I kind of want to try that. Because past 2 days we've been just eating breakfast at the hotel and we kind of want to change. So we are back at the hotel and we're just gonna eat breakfast here because my aunt and my mom are ready. Okay, so here's my OOTD and I am wearing this like black turtleneck shirt from Charlotte Ruth. And I'm wearing these really cool colored pants from Charlotte Ruth. And then I'm just wearing these black sneakers that are actually my mom's, but because I didn't bring any sneakers and I'm not really sure where they're from. But I think we're going to go to Broadway on the Beach or mini golfing. We're not quite for sure yet, but I'll be sure to let you guys know.
Great. Oh, Maddie and Am, how does you?
Yay, son! So we made it to Broadway in the Beach, and you can't really see it right now, but right over is like an upside down house, and it's a big Ferris wheel. So here there's basically a lot of shops, rides, and food. So we're gonna eat something right now. So I got this burrito bowl because I love Chipotle. So here's what it looks like. It's really good. So after I eat this, I think we're gonna go to like walk around and stuff. We're just walking around. I think we're gonna leave like really soon because we're gonna go hang out at the hotel. Dad, can you show him my new sweatshirt? Alright, here's that. And here's the front. Okay guys, so sorry I haven't filmed in a while. We just went back to the hotel after the Broadway Beach thing, and we went back to the hotel, and I actually went to the gym that they have at the hotel, and I worked out for like how long? Like almost like 45 minutes to an hour. But right now, me, Mom, and my dad came to a place called Call House because I've been really in the mood for seafood. And I got New England clam chowder, and I also got crab legs. Okay, guys, so me and my mom got our crabs, and they actually gave us a bib. So let's eat. Okay, guys, so we just got back not too long ago, and it's around 11 something, and I'm going to be laying in bed. So I love you guys to the moon and back, and I'll see you guys tomorrow on our last day. Love you.